So, if you have not received a Valentine's gift, a Valentine vibe, a Valentine surprise, don't die. Don't kill yourself. Oh, they don't love me. Oh, me and you, we are under the same conditions. We are breathing the same oxygen. Let's encourage ourselves. We are strong. If they did not do this Valentine, the next one, it is there. Let's wait for it. You don't die hard. No dying hard. Come, let's encourage ourselves. Stay strong.